Chicken masala pulao. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Shallow fry the chicken. One medium-sized potato cut into cubes and fry. Add 6 tablespoons of ghee to another pan. And then add whole spices, bay leaves, peppercorns, cinnamon sticks, cloves, green and black cardamom, mace, star anise, cumin. To medium-sized chop onions. Stir until golden brown. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. One medium-sized tomato. Add green pepper and green chilies. Add 1½ teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of Ajinomoto, 2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chicken masala, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Add little water and stir. Add the fried chicken and mix. Add the soaked rice and mix well. And then add 1 cup of water. Stir and cover it for 20 minutes on medium heat. Once the rice is cooked well, add the fried potatoes. Garnish it with chopped coriander leaves and add little bit of kudu water.